Hello, and today we're going to be having a look at this Nokia 3300. This was released back in 2003, and if you stick around until the end of the video, I will use this LG BL40 chocolate to ring the Nokia. So stick around for that one at the end of the video. Let's get back to this. As I said, this is the Nokia 3300, which was released in 2003. So let's have a look at him. All the keys. The power button here. Obviously you have the back, which push that button in, it'll come on. Oh, there's the battery. The SIM card is under there. Charging port and the computer connection. I believe that that's an earphone jack. There's the button there. And unfortunately there's one button missing on that side, but the phone works okay. Just have a look at the keys. You have the joystick pad, and obviously all the buttons. Just powering him on. Yeah, UK Vodafone. So have a look at the menu. You have messages, call register, contacts, profiles, settings, alarm clock, music, gallery, organizer, and games, applications, and extras. No, it's back to the beginning. First of all then, as I look at the games. Select games. Hang on. Snake. Let's try this one. Who remembers Snake? There you are. Used to play this game for hours back in the day. Just see if we can get that one there. Oh, come on. Yes. Like this, that one. Water Rapids. Try that one. Start. So what we gotta do with this, we gotta try to obviously I haven't got a clue how to do this. I'm going sideways, but you get the thing of the game. Oh, turn around. Oh, I got it. I got it. Here we are. There's our game. Pretty lame if you ask me. Disco. It's not going to open that one by the looks of it. Oh, it is. Yeah. Disco. Yeah. Needs a memory display, huh? That's just one of them platform things. There you are. Right, let's have a look at the ringtones. Go into menu. Scroll down to profile. General. Personalize. Ringtones. Here we go. Gallery. And there you are. Just back to the Nokia tune. Select that one. And you also have ringing volume, vibrating alert, message alert, keypad tones, warning tones, alert tones. Yeah. The music, you'll probably have to use the headphones for the music. Obviously I got no memory card in it, so it's not going to pick up no songs. I don't think it'll work with the radio without the headphones. No. And there you are. That's the Nokia 3300. And as I said, I will now just put that on there. Put that there and I'm going to ring him. And we'll use this LG BL40 chocolate. Contacts. And then this one's quite a long phone, as you can see. It's not Android or nothing. It's quite old. It's a very old smartphone thing, right? Right. And here we go. It's just a test sim. Right on. Voice call we want. Tap that. There we are. Like I say, it's just a test sim. So you can ring it if you want to. And here we are. And there you are. End the call. So call ended. This will be for another video. And there you are. The very unusual Nokia 3300, released back in 2003. There you are, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll be back pretty soon with another video. Until then, bye for now. Bye.